The 1954 Daus Prototype is one of the most unusual and technically sophisticated microcars of the post-war era, the work of German engineer Otto Daus. Born from an aviation background, Daus had already designed, built, and flown his own aircraft before 1914. After witnessing the devastation of World War I, he abandoned flying but remained devoted to mechanical design. From 1929 to 1947, he served as chief designer at Vidal and Sohn, the Hamburg-based manufacturer of the successful Tempo three-wheeled trucks. His engineering contributions there helped establish Tempo as a major name in light utility vehicles. Following his retirement from Vidal, Daus founded his own engineering office, bringing with him several colleagues. Although independent, he continued to collaborate with Vidal, later producing designs such as the three-wheeled off-road vehicle Daus 214 in 1958, equipped with a Heinkel engine and even a retractable propeller. In 1954, he turned to building a microcar that reflected his fascination with compact yet advanced engineering. The prototype featured an ILO 197 to 200 cubic centimeters single-cylinder two-stroke engine with thermosiphon cooling, similar in principle to early Fords and Austins. Most remarkable was its electric pre-selector transmission, offering 3 forward and 3 reverse gears. The engine could be removed and reinstalled in only 16 minutes, a feature rarely seen even in racing cars of the time. Performance was lively, with a top speed of around 75 kilometers per hour. The chassis carried rack-and-pinion steering, transverse leaf spring suspension front and rear, and bodywork in steel rather than the emerging fiberglass. Despite its ingenuity, the prototype never went into series production. It lacked the mandatory KFC brief, or German vehicle registration document, and thus was never road registered. This ensured it remained a one-off collector's piece rather than a usable car. Today, it survives as a fascinating artifact of post-war German engineering, an example of how far creativity and technical skill could go in the hands of a single visionary designer.